hands to do some living. Always had a little time to find some peace. Well, there was even time on Sunday for the good Lord. I ain't even got the time to stop and breathe. I spent 40 hours working for the big man, and 50 more for everybody else. Seems like everybody's looking for a piece of me, and I think it's time to keep some for myself. As of late, I'm burning both ends of the candle, pleasing everybody else to just get by. I wonder how things got so complicated. Right now, I think it's time to simplify. Somebody's always trying to start a fire beneath me, just to make me go where I don't want to be. Seems like I'm always hurrying, trying to please somebody, and I think it's time for someone to set me free. No, the boss man ain't got time to bring me water, and the water ain't got time to quench my soul. My soul ain't even got time for the sixth string, and the debt man keeps me buried in the hole. As